Okay. Now Kate's got this on on coffee. Okay, so I don't know how to use this thing. Okay, 6, 8. Okay, 12. Okay, let's see how that works. Okay, hang on. Yeah, it doesn't. Sweetie. Okay. Also, see, you can take this. Okay, it's called a splash guard. I think this is right. See the lines? So hang on a second. See, look at the lines. Lines will tell you when it's done. It takes a few minutes to. Now this is supposed to be with coffee grinds, not the kpod. Let's see. Yeah, see, it's got the kpod down here. So up here, if you were brewing coffee, it has a little coffee nut up here, and it's spraying it so that it evenly gets. Oh, here's the spoon for the coffee grinds. And it's like right here on the side. If you wanted milk, you hit this and it'll spin and get hot. It also comes off for cleaning. But see, it's still got more to go. It may take a few minutes, but for 1 cup, it's actually pretty good. So, I really like it. Nice thing too is that if you wanted to lower this, you can, which I don't really recommend. I mean, the splash guard's up there for a reason. Okay, now I poured 12 ounces. I don't know the size of this cup. It might be 12 ounces on the money. Here, scoot over. So it does have a splash guard. Okay, so this is a 10-ounce cup. So we're changing the cup out because these cups need 10 ounces or 8 ounces. So this is 1 cup. But this is too full to have 1 cup. And you'll notice up here it still has a little more to go, because it hasn't given the final beeper yet. So since we just got this thing and we're kind of playing with it, it's not doing too bad. But it should squirt out the last set of hot water here in a second. But it gives you enough time that if you need to do something, like fix something else, okay, so that's saying that it's done, okay, and we got no more water in the second cup. So this cup is fine, but look how it comes to about 1/4 of an inch from the top. So this would handle 12 ounces, but I personally would make it 10 ounces. So I would change this to 10 ounces for this size cup down here. I hope you like it, because I know I do. Bye.